We'll guide you through how to create lists in Trello. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Trello website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all your boards. Click on the board where you want to create a new list. If you don't have a board yet, you can create one by clicking the Create New Board button and following the prompts to set it up. Once you're in your chosen board, you'll notice a column with the option that says Add a list at the end of your existing lists. Click on this Add a List option to start creating your list. A text box will appear where you can type the name of your new list. Enter a descriptive name that reflects the content or purpose of the list. After you've typed in the name, press the Enter key or click the Add List button to create it. Your new list will now appear on your board, and you can start adding cards to it by clicking on Add a Card under the list title. Trello makes it easy to organize tasks and ideas into lists, and you can drag and drop cards between lists to manage your workflow. You can also click on the three dots next to the list name for more options, like renaming or archiving the list. This functionality allows you to keep your projects organized and efficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.